All right, we're here with Rob WOZNIAK and John Samuelson, and we're at the Chino Air Museum. So here's the F-14,
I love that.
and look how much bigger. I know the F-16, so let's go 14, 15, 16, but look how much bigger. I didn't realize the F-15 was that much bigger.
And it's got a bigger windshield. This must be a how do you say, a two-seater?
What's it?
And that's a one-seater.
No.
Yeah, that's
well, it's
a
an
one-seater.
Well, F-15s have always been one-seaters.
Well, no, they haven't.
Yeah.
No, they haven't.
This is a.
They have trainers. They got two-seaters.
Yeah, but oh, come up this way, guys. You're missing all these aircraft.
Follow Chris.
So here's a Harrier.
I love the Harrier.
So they got a lot of stuff in here.
F-94 Thunder Chief. What is this?
Oh, this is a great treat. So my grandfather flew this aircraft.
Hey, this is the Glendale College. I saw this at Glendale College. They had one over there. Yeah, that's an
This is F-86 Sabre.
Yeah, 86 Sabre in Glendale College before they took it. The Air Force took it back about 20 years ago.
I gotta go back and look at these aircraft. Hang on. I'll be right back. Hang on. That's an F-105. Oh, it says 100. Don't leave us, Woz. Woz. Don't leave us. Oh my God. I didn't realize they had this many aircraft. Woz, I had no idea this many aircraft.
This looks like the Chinese model.
No,
This is a bit older. This is older.
No, it's American.
This is younger than the 86.
It's the F-84. My grandfather flew that. That's an 84. 84.
Yeah, but that's an older one. I mean, a younger one. Woo, look at this. That's Hornet.
That's an A model. A model. I'll show you how you know. They don't have a D. They don't have an E model.
Well, the Blue Angel. That's why we don't know.
Oh, is it real?
Yeah,
I
don't know if it's really a Blue Angel, but they got a mark, so who knows?
Well, how fun is this, huh?
I don't know. Maybe this
How
is Blue
fun.
Angel. Look at that long nose, that long, what do you call it? Nose, yeah, choke comb or whatever. Wow, that is a long nose, brother.
You guys are funny. You guys want to go to the other side? Let's follow Woz.
I'm following Woz, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I want all these models before I leave.
I know. Look at all these.
Those fucking models, man. All those.
Oh, the helicopters.
I want
Oh
some big
shit.
helicopters too.
Okay, let me start.